Hey there dog lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today's adventure is a special one because Kira, our Great Pyrenees, is on her first ever trip abroad, and so far she's loving every second of it. We've stopped at the stunning Grindelwald in Switzerland, where we hopped in a gondola that took us up to 2,320 meters to a station called Eigergletscher. We were really scared in the beginning how it would be like to travel with a large dog in a gondola and how will Kira like it. The ride on the Eiger Express takes about 15 minutes and guess what? Dogs travel free of charge. The views were absolutely breathtaking and Kira was all smiles. We are really proud of her how well she behaved during the ride. Before catching our train to the top of Europe, Jungfraujoch, stay tuned for that in the next video, we took the chance to explore the mountain trails. We even bumped into some friendly pups along the way, proving this spot is a perfect dog-friendly place for a hike. If you are planning a trip with your furry friend, the Eiger Express and Eigergletscher should be on your list. But drop a comment with your dog-friendly recommendations in Switzerland. We'd love to hear them. If you enjoyed this little adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next stop at the top of Europe, Jungfraujoch.